Hello everybody, this is Val with Tasty Sensation, and I have some creamy chicken Roman noodles. I got it by the case, and I just got one bowl of it right here just to get through it quickly. Have y'all tried this? They sell it at Walmart. Come fail. This is good. I'm gonna put just a little bit on it to see how it is. Because I may end up making me some. But I want to see how it tastes first. It's hot from the heat, was from the pot. That's why I had to let it go in. That is good and spicy. Good and spicy. Dang, that's good. I like it. Those noodles are still hot. I put them in the microwave and made them from the microwave. Get that off the top now. This is good. It's got chili peppers in it. Red chili. I mean, if you like hot stuff. If you can have hot stuff. But, it's so good. This is very tasty. It's just one pack. When I eat one pack like this, it don't never seem like enough. That's why I normally get two. Especially these. It don't even need the sauce in it. These are good by themselves. It's not the salty chicken noodles that you normally get. These are in a case at the top, like 24 in a case. Not the little chicken ones, like 12 in a pack. It's 20 cents a pack. And I normally get 24. End up being $2 and some change. And when you get these, these tasting good by themselves and they're not real salty. They're not salty at all, actually. They're really creamy, like a cream chicken. You can add anything you want to do with it. If you want to cook something, make it into something else. This is what I use to make my cheesy noodles also. I'm gonna get this enrichment in my mouth, y'all.
Grandma, I might make a mess in the kitchen. kitchen with my noodles. I can go clean it with, I don't know when.
That was Carlos, y'all.
What's that clean thing? Where's that clean thing? Where's that clean thing? That clean thing.
Hey,
That clean thing.
you can't use that. Those noodles are wet. You're going to have to pick them up with your hand. I got to go in here, y'all, and do something. That's really tasty. Taste this. If you want some good ramen noodles, try these. I believe you really like them. And this is Val with Tasty Sensations. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And have something tasty with your girl. Bye-bye now. Share my videos. And I appreciate it.